Hi, I'm Monina Sengson from San Fernando. Recently, nag-Sculptra ako and ano ba yung experience ko? I was thinking na hindi ko siya kaya. Parang feeling ko painful. And then, nung binigyan nila ako ng EMLA, and sabi sa akin ni doktora, lalagyan din ako ng lidocaine, surprisingly, hindi na kinailangan. So, nung pagkalagay ng EMLA, so far, maganda naman, hindi naman siya masakit. So, mabilis lang yung procedure. And tapos after nun, nakita ko na yung effect agad eh. Nag-lift na yung dito ko, medyo naging tighten na siya. Tapos, after nung ilang weeks, may ibang glow eh. So, yun nakaka-excite siya, ang ganda pala niya talaga. So, ngayon, second session ko na siya. Hopefully, mas maganda pa yung effect. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of CSA Medical Aesthetics, and we are here with Ma'am Monina, her second session of the Sculptra treatment with the protocol of the so-called a combined renewed volume plus the filling lift. How are you, Ma'am Monina? So far, she's good. And she shared with me a while ago that others are noticing an improvement, looking younger with just one session. Yan. So with our second treatment, actually we do a spacing of at least somehow a month or 4 weeks, case-to-case basis, depending also on the need, because some individuals will need more of the Sculptra vials, okay? So for Ma'am Monina, we'll do the same technique we had done in the first session. So for our marking again, so we have the temple fusion line here. So our temple area, as time passes by, there's a so-called volume loss. No, Ma'am Monina, nakikita mo rin dito sa temple region. It's like becoming hollow. So, parang meron na siyang depression also. So, with this part, we need to restore volume. And then the zygomatic arch is here. So, we have the superior border and the inferior border. And we'll draw a vertical line, the so-called line of ligament here. And then we need to work again on the temple region and also on the subzygoma region here, and somehow a bit here in the medial cheek area. So those are the focus areas, anatomical zones for the placement of our Sculptra or PLLA. So a regenerative biostimulator to help restore volume, to also stimulate collagen formation and other extracellular matrix proteins. So for Ma'am Monina, I noticed already an improvement compared to the before the first session. So I'm noticing some volume restoration already. Okay? So the indications, volume restoration, improve the firmness of the skin, also improve the laxity of the skin. So we had the FAS, the facial assessment scale. We did grading of that. So the goal, Ma'am Monina, is for like for example, yung grade mo, grade 2, gagawin grade 1 to grade 0. Hanggang sa no more problem. That's the goal, okay? No more laxity, no more volume loss, no more sagginess. So that's the goal, okay? So for our treatment, again, we have the so-called introducer needle. A while ago, we cleansed the skin, we left the numbing cream. And then we have the zygomatic arch here. So midline of zygomatic arch, I'll make a tiny prick. There you go. Just use your gauge 18 needle or gauge 19 needle as your introducer. And this is our cannula. So the Sculptra was already diluted with our sterile water together with lidocaine. So we'll just insert in this entry point here. So I'll deliver product again into our temple region. So I'm using a gauge 22 and we want to restore volume. We'll place it in the subcutaneous plane, okay? So a fanning technique, deliver it like that, and filling in the so-called temple area. So as to the volume, it will depend on how sunken the area is. You can put, like, for example, 1.5 to 2 ml on this side. So subdivide the product, like you have a 9 ml, per side could be 4.5, and then on that side, like, you place 1.5 on this temple area. You still have a remaining 3 ml, which you can distribute in the mid-face to the lower face area. Okay, so the goal is to restore volume in our temple region. So we'll place a bit into the anteromedial cheek just to improve the volume there, and at the same time the quality of the skin. So this is a regenerative biostimulator. We want to regenerate the skin tissues, restore the radiance, the glow, the firmness, and still give a natural result na mamonina. So we want something more natural, not altering. Yan. The others kasi are afraid of changing their looks. And this is delivered subcutaneously. So if you want to restore volume, you can deliver it subcutaneously. Okay, so we'll go into the lower part of the face. So we'll just tilt the face area like this and go onto the lower part. So we have already 4 protocols for Sculptra. We have the protocol called Youthful Glow. We have the protocol Renewed Volume, the Filling Lift, and the Slimming Lift. So depending on the condition, the case, we will follow those protocols. You're still good, Mama Nina? Okay. So we deliver it. Ideally, you want it in the subcutaneous plane for volume restoration. For some cases that only wanted like a lifting technique, the recommended layer is the so-called subdermis. So we want to reach the layer with most of your fibroblast cells that will synthesize your extracellular matrix proteins like your collagen, your elastin, and also your glycosaminoglycans and proteoglycans, laminins, and even other proteins that are responsible for interconnections. Very molecular ang explanation ng Mamolina. Because it works really molecularly, intracellularly, and extracellularly. It stimulates those cells as well. So your regenerative biostimulator is working daily. It's gonna work once you place it here. It's gonna take effect days, weeks, months. And they had reported that the PLLA particles can work up to 24 months. So 2 years, Mama Nina. So if you want to do like a repeat session of this again, like you've done the 3 sessions, you can repeat your cycle or treatments again in 2 months. I mean, 2 years. 2 years time. Tagal-tagal pa, no, ma'am? Because they've been proven to last longer. And very high satisfaction, patient satisfaction also. So I'm working also on pre-auricular area. I want to improve the skin in this region. Actually, some people have this so-called pre-auricular lines. So we wanna improve that, target that, treat that with this Sculptra regenerative biostimulator. Okay. So I wanna go back into the temple posterior. Because there's a technique whereby you can do like a lifting also. Lifting technique going into the most posterior part. So posterior aspect of your temple, you can also place this product. If you have remaining product, you can do a more lifting effect. Because I noticed, Ma'am Manina, your right side is saggier than the left. Based on the photos that we had taken, this side is saggier as compared to the left. So the results are noticeable as days and weeks pass by and even months. You will still see more improvement of this Sculptra PLLA. Okay, we're almost done. I'm doing the posterior part here. And again, this should only be performed by trained doctors, those who are authorized to perform these kinds of procedures. Okay, so we've done the right side. Let's proceed to the opposite side. So we are done with the second session of Sculptra treatment for Mama Nina. We'll show the result when we return. And we're back. Let's show the result to Mama Nina. Mama Nina, mirror po. So we've done the Sculptra treatment, and this is the second session already. And we had the cannula method, and we used the fanning technique, delivered it in the subcutaneous plane. How are you po? Kamusta naman? Yeah. Yes. So, the experience naman, Mama Nina, so far.
Okay naman siya. Tolerable naman yung, yung pain niya.
Tolerable. And knowing Mama Nina kasi may fear of mga injections, di ba?
Yes.
Totally understandable na a lot of people are afraid of the needle. Plus, if you're placing something on the face, they're also afraid of what will be the effect. Will it have these complications or mga side effects? So this product po, Sculptra, is made up of a molecule called PLLA. And yung mga PLLA na yan, actually we've been using those in medicine, even in surgical procedures for a very long time already. It's been there like, siguro mayroon na 1960s pa. I've seen the history of PLLA. So these are materials that are very safe, studied, and of course, they've been used already globally. Lalo na po yung Sculptra. Sculptra was the very first collagen biostimulator. It's already labeled regenerative biostimulator. So we place it like on the temple, on the mid-face, on the lower face. Then over time, it will build collagen, elastin. It will improve the elasticity. It will make your skin firm again, tighter. Nakaka-improve ng quality, nakaka-close ng pores, nakaka-lighten, brighten, because it also has the Sculptra glow. Plus, yung volume na re-restore over time. And some lifting effects. Especially, we place it here on the sides of the face. So, when you place it on the sides of the face, and this one will be volumized again, tapos magta-tight na naman siya. So, it's also lifting the center face. Yung mga nagsasag dito, yung mga nasolabial, yung mga jowls, so mapupull up na naman siyang ganyan. So, over time, you're seeing the improvement like 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, and so on and so forth. So, this was the second treatment. Parang booster dose dun sa first. So, we'll do a third one again. And then, over time, up to 24 to 25 months, you're still seeing the effects of Sculptra PLLA. Thank you, Mama Nina.
Thank you
Getting
so
younger
much.
and younger.
Thank you.
Na, anong secret? And how young are you nga pala? I don't
Secret.
even know. Oh, secret lang yun. Okay? Secret na lang namin yung Mama Nina yan. So this is like a treatment that we want to achieve, like a natural result and looking younger and younger and helping, of course, the tissues of your skin. Okay, yung integumentary system, largest organ ng katawan yan. So you wanna also maintain the health of this cutaneous system. Yan.
You're the best.
Ay, glory to God po yun. Tsaka syempre, iniisip mo yung safety ng treatment. Yes. Of course, the doctor should also really be well-trained, skilled. Tapos the materials we're using, may mga scientific studies, evidence-based. Kaya si Mama Nina din, yan, napapapunta rin sa CSA. Tsaka, we prefer also mga non-surgical method na rin and something na natural lang.
Pagdating kasi sa mukha, ayoko ng surgery.
Yes.
Kasi nakakatakot, baka biglang mag-iba yung mukha mo, hindi mo na maibabalik. So, enhancement lang.
Enhancement.
Yes.
There's the word. The key word there, enhancement. Ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Napaka-importante nun. Okay, if you have any questions, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com, our FB page, CSA Medical Aesthetics, Instagram, CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Pulong Maragol, Angeles City. Contact number 0933-860-9193 or 0917-504-4268. Thank you so much. Please also watch the previous episode ni Ma'am Nina at our YouTube channel, Contessa Salvador. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.